who knew that you could collect so much information off of a cell phone, Brian?
Right. They're really little secret spies in our pocket. They know where we walk. They know when we pick them up. They know what we text. They know who we call. So there's a lot of critical information that's always going to be available potentially for law enforcement investigating a crime.
And in this case, do you think the prosecution is doing a good job connecting Alec Murdaugh to the murder scene by using the cell phone information?
Well, I'll say yes until the cross-examination today by Jim Griffin, because really with that very well-qualified expert, Mr. Dove, what he got to do, actually it was Mr. Barber, comparing the two timelines, it did show that although the state's theory is that Mr. Murdaugh killed his wife and son and then had her phone and tried to get rid of it, at the same time that's supposed to be happening, Mr. Murdaugh's phone is moving by steps while hers is not doing anything. He cranks up his car and then calls that phone, and only then does his wife's phone change portrait orientation.
Right.
And so it really allowed them to float the theory that, well, you can't have one person, Mr. Murdaugh presumably, with two phones if only one is registering steps and the other one isn't. So they were able to float the idea that the real assailant freaked out and then threw away her phone as maybe he was getting away. So that was fascinating for us.